So uThandiswa vele wabona ukuthi le ndaba ifuna uMakhosi. She decided to go there and consult, and Makhosi told her that she needs to take umuthi awuhambise ethuneni likaSiza so that nobody tampers with it. Now it got a little bit tricky ngoba emngcwabeni nobody was interested in coming there. After that mahamba aye emathuneni, now it's like something threatened her because it feels like there was someone who was following her and she does not know who. Now the question is, who is that particular person and why is that particular person following him? She was then told ukuthi lo muthi lo she has to guard it ngenhliziyo yakhe, make sure that awuphathwa muntu nebhokisi aliphathwa muntu. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Abshin Molweni minjani? Ibukile hingangwena. So namuhla ka hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Hikuma kuri Petunia she decided that she's going to give away all the clothes for Umtwana because now she feels ukuthi she does not want to be holding on to them and she just wants to move on. On the other hand, attendance emngcwabeni kaSiza was really poor, like literally very poor. The entire hall was empty, but Virginia decided that she was going to give an Oscar-winning performance and started crying about how I will take your smile with me, how you and I will always be together forever, how I will carry the dignity and it was just a bit embarrassing for her. She just went too much. Anyway, now Uthandiswa was sitting there, said, that's an award-winning performance and somebody needs to give her the Oscar because wow, sekenza ngamandla ke manje. How? Mina ngiyamangala ke ubaba Meya walks in with ubaba Phoyisa, and then when Martha comes in, then ubaba Meya starts to move from his chair to where Martha is. Hi bo, did they not sit him down? Bamhlalise phansi ke lala, and he was told ukuthi lalela Jackson hamba uhlala le bohleli khona because I'm not interested. I'm not here for you. Ngizela indaba yomncwabo. So if you know what is good for you, uzophuma uhambe uye la bohleli khona. And then he had to go in front. Athi lalelani, mina I'm used to addressing multitudes, not nje abantu bawu 3.